very strong rebound. I think it's more than normally to be expected in this difficult year compared to other large economies in the Western world. This is a very great success for the Chinese economy. China is the locomotive of the overall world economy. For example, for the German economy, it's very much important that the Chinese economy is growing fast, because that means we can also hear from our industry exports more goods and services to China. So the role of China has changed. China has become the locomotive of the world economy. For the Chinese economy, I think it's very clear what has to happen in the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. This is the upgrade of the economy, right? More innovation, more technological progress, this kind of stuff. The times that China simply make simple manufacturing goods are long gone. So China should become more and more innovative economy. I think this is the crucial point.